Good evening, everybody. Good evening, my students and my subscribers. Today is Sunday, the 15th day of November 2020. The time now is 3:44 p.m. West African time. Okay, today I want to do market analysis, as I always do, based on advanced method of Elliott wave analysis. Today I will cover many pages, more pages than I usually do. So I start with dollar index. US dollar index, I still maintain that the pay is still going down for the moment. Last time I forecasted this, and this has happened. Okay, what do we expect? Two things. It will continue going down from here to at least get this place, but my forecast is that it will break this very low. Secondly, it may still come up to 61.8 Fibo retracement before it go down. Now the idea is that if it goes beyond this, the going down may delay. What I mean by delay, it may delay, not that I won't change my bearish bias until it breaks this area and this. So for now, I'm expecting the drop to continue. That's DXY. US dollar index. Okay. So now let's go to EURUSD. EURUSD, because of this sharp move, I expected the correction to come at least to touch 38.2 or 50% the Fibo, but because of this sharp drop, I assume that the correction is over. That's wave 4 is over. I suspected that it will be a zigzag, but now it is a flat WXY. So with this sharp move, I can say that the buying will continue, that the correction is over. So we might not see a further selling on EURUSD. I mean, on a larger time frame. On 1 hour, we may still sell for some time. Okay, this is 4 hours on EURUSD. The pair just turned on our blue box. So what do we expect? The further move up, we may have we may have some selling, but not much. It might come down a little while before going up. But I'm not going to buy. I'm not going to sell EURUSD. I can only buy, but not right now. If I get a pullback, I will check the structure. If it's a buying structure, I will buy. Then if it breaks here and give me a buy structure, I will buy. I don't just buy because the market is going up. There's something I will see before I buy. That's why I tell you that you need to learn, because when the market is moving, you don't just jump in, because you don't know where it started and where it is going. Okay. The next, GBPUSD. This is where we have some problem, because normally EURUSD and GBPUSD, 80% of the time they go the same way, but not all the time anyway. And this time around, I don't see them going the same way, the way they used to be. For instance, on EURUSD, I can only see buying, but on GBPUSD, I can see selling. So I saw this as wave 1. Then wave 2 might have A, B, C, then selling. I'm expecting the selling. I'm not gonna buy EURUSD for now unless it broke this very pin bar. The issue is this is a very powerful trend change, and on daily chart it has been going up So I'm expecting a drop at least to this trend line or beyond it. So for now, I'm not going to buy GBPUSD. Rather, I'm looking for sell. That's my own opinion. You can trade the way you feel is better for you to trade. But from my experience, this is 1 hour GBP pounds dollar 1 hour. On daily time frame, the daily time frame has not changed. That's why I didn't open it. If you watch the previous videos, you will see where this B is. We have A somewhere, then a B, and we are looking for C. And usually C is always an impulse. So for me, this is wave 1 of C. Then we're gonna have wave 2 after A, B, C. Wave 2 of C. So even if I will buy even if I will buy GBPJPY, it will be maybe, if the wave 2, either the wave B give me something reasonable, I may enter buy and look for selling from here. But it's not a good idea. Buying here, closing here. No, I don't say that kind of trade. I like to trade something big. Okay, but what I'm saying that I'm looking for sell setup on pounds dollar. Okay. Now on pounds yen, my bias have not changed on pounds yen. If you go to daily, is on previous videos, you can see that as long as the daily time frame is concerned, I am still looking for sell. This move is sharp. I can see this is sharp again. So I see this as wave 1 of C. That's wave 1 of 5 of C. Just the same way it is on pounds dollar. Pounds yen, I see this as wave 1 of 5 of C. So we're gonna have wave 2, then it keeps going down. Though any structure can change at any time, but right now I'm not gonna buy pounds yen. Rather, I'm looking for sell. Okay. The same still on pounds yen. This is a 1 hour time frame. You can see the drop. Then we're looking for ABC. So, well, if we get to this blue box, I will look for sell setup. As a matter of fact, this will be a nice place to sell, unless we see a sharp move like this. If we don't get a sharp move like this, I'm gonna sell pounds yen. The next is euro yen. I didn't want to show much on daily time frame because they haven't changed. My past 4 or 5 videos, the daily time frame is still almost still the same. Now on pounds yen, sorry, on euro yen, what I will do is I will be looking for a buy setup. This is another contradiction. Pounds dollar, pounds dollar and euro pounds are going different ways. So you see euro yen and pounds yen goes together, but right now I'm seeing a buy on euro yen and I'm seeing a sell on pounds yen. So it calls for caution and careful because they used to go together. But one thing is sure, they will somewhere or sometime come together again, to go together again. That's sure. So but for now, I'm looking for buy on pounds yen. So this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm looking for 5. Okay, this for 4 hours. Then on the 1 hour, if you miss all the trade, don't miss this one, because once this channel is broken, we're gonna have a buy. If this channel breaks, I will buy. Though I don't know how deep it will be. That is, I don't know how far it will go, but I can see a buy setup forming. Okay. Then let's go to, this is gold. AUDUSD. This is gold. Gold, as I've been saying, I'm looking for a sell. I can see gold going below 1800. I can see gold going below 1800. So watch out for this. This blue box is where I expected the sale to happen. Okay, on 1 hour on gold, I don't normally show 1 hour, but in this 1 hour, once I get a break of this channel, I'm gonna buy. Sorry, I'm gonna sell. Once I get a break, this is a nice channel. If it breaks, I will sell. That is good for you. If you are a gold trader, get ready to sell gold. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Tuesday, I don't know. Silver is also a favorite pair to trade. So this is 4 hours, just like gold. I'm looking for sale on silver. 1 hour on silver. We must have another push up before we sell on silver. So this is a 50% Fibonacci adjustment from here to here. So we may it have touched 50%. Then I believe it will gonna touch 61.8. So time will tell. Watch out if you are a silver trader. Watch out from tomorrow or from today's night. On USDCAD, I don't have anything to say on USDCAD, but all I know is that USDCAD is still buying. From daily time frame, this very thick line is a very major support. Sorry, yes, support. So, and you can see a kind of a reversal. So I don't see any other thing than to buy. What I mean by you don't just jump in and buy. Maybe something if you see a little pullback. So that's all for USDCAD. $10 US dollar. Okay, now this is where we still have some work to do. In this pair, I'm still looking for a drop. I believe that this very from all this move 1 2 3 4 5 3 5 of 3, then this 3 we are looking for 5 somewhere. So I'm not so comfortable that this drop is all the retracement it will make after all this move. It's possible anyway because this move is sharp, but because of this confluence, I might be surprised if we get a drop and down here. So I'm looking for, if I see a candle that drops, a big candle drop, then I look for sell towards this very area. So you must not trade this, but I would advise you to buy. I would advise you to buy because I see this resistance is small for my own calculation. I still believe it's gonna still drop. Okay, that's my opinion anyway. Then on 4 hours, you can see one of the reasons I'm skeptical about buying. You can see this very candle, a sharp move and a sharp drop again. So what am I trying to say? I'm trying to say that I'm expecting a drop, but I'm not sell until it closes here. If it closes here in a corrective manner, I will sell. But if it closes below here in a manner that gives me a sell setup, I will sell from here downwards. Okay, that's my opinion. US 500, S&P 500. Okay, now pay attention on this pair. S&P 500 on daily time frame, it has broken this wave 3 or 5, and once it breaks, it will be a continue. But the continue, it's hard to correct because it's a kind of a fresh impulse is going. So We have 1, 2, 3. So I'm looking for 4. Then 5. Now, why I say you should pay attention is that this ABC on my own calculation is a zigzag, my forecast, but it can happen as a flat. So what am I saying? This C might end somewhere here, and the price will go up. Nevertheless, I'll be watching. If I see a buy setup before it reaches here, I will buy. Then it continues going up. So look for buy setup. If you don't know how to see a setup, join our class. You just give us a little money, we train you. We are training many people right now, so don't miss the opportunity to join our class, because by next year our price will change. Right now we are teaching almost free of charge. Almost free of charge. Just a token, we train you. By next year we won't do that. Okay, last time I made an analysis on Bitcoin. Bitcoin was here. Bitcoin was below 13,000. Check my videos. I think 3 weeks ago. I don't know. I forgot it, but not recent. It's about 3 weeks ago or thereabouts. I said that Bitcoin is going towards 16,000. Now Bitcoin have touched 16,000. So what next? These lines. Save this video. Bitcoin is going towards these lines, but not in an express manner. You might always see a pullback. That's how market moves. But Bitcoin is going up. Unless something happens, we see a sharp drop like this, it may change the scenario. Maybe it may force it to drop down here before continue going. But right now, if we always see this type of move, a shadow move like this, it will still going up. Okay, that's for Bitcoin. Dow Jones, Dow. Okay, Dow. Last time I forecasted about Dow, the market was here, and I pointed out that it will come down here. It has happened, and it's going up again. So, and this is wave 1, 2, 3. Then ABC 4, then 5 is going up. So what are we looking for? We are looking for a buy setup. I don't know how deep this drop will be, but that will be a drop. Then we're gonna buy from here and towards 32, 33,000, and so on. So if you trade down, check for your buy setup. This Dow, this is 4 hours on Dow. As you can see, we will likely have ABC to drop down here before we buy. Don't just enter and buy because I said it's going up. If you enter and buy, it may drop. It will take time to drop, and it will frustrate you. So don't wait for a drop and look for a buy setup. If you don't know how to see a setup, we'll teach you that. You give us a little money for now. Okay, I think we are through. Okay, the Dow is our last pair for today. As I always say, join our Telegram channel. We post trade from time to time on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to our videos, to our YouTube channel. Invite your friends, those who want to learn how to trade forex. Invite them. That's what we do for your friends. Invite them. They learn from us. And those who have been trading but they are not making profit and they are being frustrated, invite them. We teach them almost free for this year. I'm saying it is almost free. Our price is almost as good as free. So this is an opportunity. Don't miss the opportunity, because by next year we might take times 3 of what we're taking this year. Okay, so for now I will not go further. For now, remember to trade with care, use proper money management, use stop loss, don't overtrade, use the loss side that is commensurate with your equity so that you will stay long in the business. Don't try to make the whole profit in one day. So if you want to learn to know how to do what we do, join our class. My contact will be on the description of this video. That's all for today. Have a nice week. God bless you all. Thank you.